You see that?
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. So first, they need to go to number 1. Yeah. They have to be beside number 1. Besides number 1. Yeah. Now the person who's standing beside number 1, he will say 1 and the entire class will say 1. Now you have to put the left foot forward and say number 2. Left. 1. 2. Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we doing right?
Yeah, it's right, correct. Yeah. Then 4. Yeah. Then 5.
So if I say 6 over here, my classmates will correct me. Is it right?
No, between
Instead of 5, I'm here at 4. I'll go front and I'll say 6. I'm wrong over here. So will my friends correct me?
Yeah, they will correct you because after 4, 6 doesn't come, 5 comes. So they will correct you. So you have to stand beside 5. There is one issue in that between 5 and 6, there should be the distance should be double, because between 5 and 6, the child has to take a jump. The distance between other discs are half of the distance between 5 and 6. So it will be like double. Yeah, double.
Yeah. Okay, well.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
And same is between 15 and 16 also.
You have increased the distance, so I have to jump to 6.
Jump to 6.
Right?
6, yeah. Again, you have to put your left foot forward and go from 6 to 7.
6 to 7.
Yeah,
7.
Then 8. Then 8. 7. Then 12. 11. 12. Yeah.
13. 14. And I have to do a jump and then come to
15.
Jump is after 15.
Okay.
15. And then 15 to 16, there is a jump. 15 to 16, there is jump. Then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Question. This is the first time we are introducing the numbers to the children, right? But we have not, like, this is 1, this is 2. They don't know what is what. So before introducing that, we are like telling them to count the numbers and then jump accordingly. So how will the student understand that this is 1, I have to go to 2, I have to move to 3? Because they're not yet introduced the numbers, right? Like this is 1, this is 2.
Okay. So you were talking about, they don't know about the number recognition.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what happens that, first we will do this flow disk. And maybe 50, 20 days we do flow disk. And then we bring in this number recognition comes with this. If you teach numbers without teaching them how 1 looks like or how 2 looks like, they will get more familiar with the number order. If you see children climbing the stairs or jumping or walking on the garden, they do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will we introduce number order, like after 1, 2 comes, after 2, 3 comes, and after 3, 4 comes. That is the objective of teaching this. Once they know this in the first month or first 15 days, after that we can teach the number recognition. Later on, we can teach them together.
Okay.
So first we'll teach them because you see the way it has been laid on the ground. If you see, if you go to number 7, go to number 8, it can only happen if the numbers are not written. If the numbers are written, if the child knows how number 7 looks, he will go and stand beside number 7. Here he has to find where the 7 is.
Yeah. So why they have to jump from from 15 to
5 to 6.
5 to 6?
Yeah. So what happens when we'll say go to number 7 or go to number 9? Initially, the children will start from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they will reach 9. They will take 2, 3 minutes to reach there. Later on, they'll know, okay, till here it is 5. So 6, 7, 8 or whatever, like 9 we have to go. So that is a like kind of, they start recognizing the number positions. 5 is a kind of divider for them. Now this is 5. Now when we'll say go to number 17. So initially number 17 means they will start to 1 and go to 17. Now they know, okay, there is a gap between 5 to 6. There is a gap between 15 and 16. So, okay, now they will go to 15. After 16, 17, they will go and stand beside number 17. So
they're able to recognize the quickly, right?
they are able to visualize the position of numbers. They are able to visualize in their mind. They are able to get the picture. Okay, 16 is there, 17 is there. Because now they know till 15, there is a double gap. So they will go and stand beside number 17.